What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Abigail Empowered channel. We are on about purpose and living lives with meaning. My name is Abigail, and in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about relationships. So relationship is a very sensitive and very important topic in our lives, because everything in our lives is about relationships. We are relational beings, and let me try to give a small explanation. From the time that we are born, we come into this life, first of all, because of the relationship of the people that birthed us, that gave birth to us, that gave us life. So that's between our parents. And even as you grow up, when you were a younger child, the people around you, even when you are older, you never know how much they influence you. So the people around us are the ones that taught us the things we don't know. They are the reason why we don't know what we don't know. This, I'm not saying this to blame them. I'm just trying to show you how important relationships are. So for example, if you are an angry person, if you are someone that that is rude, that loves to curse, it's because you learned certain things from the people who you grew around, or from the people around you. So sometimes it's not good to blame yourself. You could pass them, it could be easy to pass the blame onto other people, onto people around us, but that doesn't help also. So now that we are all grown up, so in this video it's me trying to talk to my to someone who is I'm trying to speak out knowledge or advice that I wish I got earlier on in life, when I was a teenager, when I was a younger girl, when I was still trying to know, when I needed this knowledge most. Okay, and I hope it brings value to somebody. So when it comes to relationships, especially when you are young, even when you are old, the number one reason, so don't be rushed into getting into a relationship. So don't use peer pressure and people's expectations to make you rush into what you are not ready for. So especially for ladies, they reach a certain age and everyone expects them to be a certain way, or to be married, or to have kids and whatever. Don't buy into that pressure. So the number one way to know that you are ready for relationships is when you are ready. And how do you know that you are ready? When you can love yourself. When you can love yourself. As long as you are ready to love yourself, when you love yourself, that is when you will be able to love other people. If you can't love yourself, you will be trying to get everything from them. You will be trying to make them love you so that you will be able to give back life. If there is no love in you, then you are not giving. You are actually trying to drain someone else. So one of the main reasons why people go into bad relationships is because they are looking for love. It's not because they're looking for a relationship. They are looking for something that they don't have. So they rush into relationships and think, oh, if only I could get a boyfriend, then my life would be much better. That is not true. So first of all, the main relationships in our lives is the relationship that we have with ourselves, and that is us loving ourselves. If you don't enjoy your own company, guess what? Nobody else is going to enjoy that stuff. If you get bored by yourself, you are still going to bore someone else when they come around you. If you don't like to sleep by yourself, I don't know why I say that, nobody's going to want to sleep with you. Okay, so learn to love yourself, and the best way to learn to love yourself is by having a relationship with God. So I'm not here to talk about who God is and religion and whatever, but the only person that can teach you how to love yourself, or the only person that even knows that helps you to love, is God. So if you don't have the right relationship with God, just know right now that it's going to be hard for you. It is possible, but it's going to be too much work for you to try to love other people, to try to love yourself. You know what I mean? So the number one, the main way to know that you are ready for a relationship is when you can love yourself. If you can love yourself, if you can date yourself, if you are really sure that you can, that the person that you are trying to marry, if you are sure that Just put yourself in the other person's shoes. Can you marry yourself? Can you have a relationship with yourself, with everything that you know about yourself? Can you really date yourself? If you are the other person who doesn't know you, that you are looking for a lovely husband who has all the qualities, or you are looking for a lovely wife who has all the qualities that you want, would you want to marry yourself? Would you want to marry yourself? Would you want to date yourself? Would you want yourself to be the girlfriend that you get to find? So if you can answer yes to that question, then you are ready for an amazing relationship. So that is number one. Get to love yourself. And then, so that is for intimate relationship. I'm going to give one. There are many other reasons, other tips and advices that I wish I knew, but I'm just going to give one for intimate relationship. And then the other one is about friendships. So when it comes to friendships, we get carried away easily, especially especially if you are someone who, again, feels lonely. You want company, you want people to hang out with. Like, for example, right now it's me. It's night time, it's evening time. I'm in the park by myself and I'm having a good time because I'm making this video. I'm doing what I love. So when it comes to friends, don't be rushed into it, and don't be carried away by your emotions, because we are emotional people and we love to rely. So when it comes to choosing friends and knowing who your friends are, just know that relationships have how do I say this? Relationships have different levels. Friends have different levels, and at each level a friend has different access to your life. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let me just give an example. So some people are going to be acquaintances, some people are just going to be friends that you talk to just to laugh and crack jokes, and some friends are going to be more serious, friends that you talk very serious issues, friends that you tell your secrets. So if you don't know the difference between these things, you are gonna open up to the wrong people. You are gonna share your life with the wrong people. So get to know your true friends. So right now I'm just gonna define who a true friend is. A true friend is someone who will be there for you no matter what you're going through. A true friend is someone who will do for you things that are even hard for you to imagine. Like, for example, you could call them in the middle of the night and tell them, oh my God, I'm stranded downtown. Can you please come and pick me up? And they will come and help you. Or if they can't help you, they will try to do something. A true friend is someone you will tell your secrets and they won't just tell them to the whole world. A true friend is someone who will try to see the best in you. You know what I mean? Don't be mistaken when it comes to the people that you talk to and relate to. So in life, like me, I'm someone who, so why am I saying this about friendships? Is because I'm someone who is very open-minded. I love to make friends, and I made a mistake of thinking that thinking that everyone that I talked to was my friend, which is not true. No, I didn't know this. Some people may know it, but not everyone who is close to you, who tells you they love you, they love you. So that's all that I want to share about relationships to someone to my younger self, things that I wish I knew earlier on in life. And hopefully this helped someone out there. And I hope I brought you value in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.